Hello, and welcome to my interactive Civil War quiz. For my audience, it is anyone interested in learning information regarding important battles in the Civil War. For skill, to assess the learner's reading comprehension to see if they retain the new information on the Civil War battles. The objective: given the information provided in the interactive menu, the learner will be able to successfully identify facts about key battles in the Civil War by testing their knowledge through a quiz with 80% accuracy. Here is my interactive menu from my assignment last week. The learner will come to this menu and can click on any of these buttons to learn information regarding the battle they represent. When they are ready, they can click these flags down here to take them to the quiz. They are presented with a question: which Confederate general played a crucial role in both the Battle of Fort Sumter and the First Battle of Bull Run? They are presented with three options. One is the correct answer, two are the wrong answers. If they select a wrong answer, they are taken to a page that tells them they are not accurate. They are presented with a picture of the person they did select with a little bit of information about them. In this case, General Sidney led the Confederates in the Battle of Shiloh and had nothing to do with the battles in question. They are also given a hint to the correct answer. He gave the order that ignited the Civil War. They are encouraged to try again, and this time if they select an incorrect answer, they are taken to a different page which informs them they are still incorrect, and they have to click an image to review the following battles in question. And this process will repeat itself until they select the correct answer. They can select either of these images that they like, and then they will read information on that battle. They can click a button that will take them to the next slide. They can read information on the battle, and they can go back to the other slide if they wish. And when they are finally ready, they can click try again on either slide, which will take them back to the quiz. And when they finally know what the correct answer is, they will select it, be told, "Well done, scholar," be given information on the correct answer, and then they can select next question. And at this point, the quiz would continue with more questions. Thank you for watching.